Are you struggling with joining a Kafka stream and a Kafka table? It can be quite tricky, especially when you're trying to create a one-to-many relationship. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to unravel this challenge together. I completely understand your frustration. It's really annoying when you expect to see all your comments linked to a blog, but only the last one shows up. You're definitely not alone in this. Many developers face similar issues. Let's dive into your specific question. You mentioned that you have a Kafka stream for blogs and a Kafka table for comments. The goal is to join these two so that each blog can have an array of comment IDs. But right now, you're only getting the last comment ID. Sound familiar? Let's explore how to fix this. So what's happening here? When you perform a join in Kafka Streams, it typically combines records based on keys. In your case, since one blog can have multiple comments, you need to aggregate those comments into an array instead of just taking the last one. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a valuable resource that will guide you through one-to-many joins in Kafka Streams. To achieve a one-to-many relationship join in Kafka Streams, the user should first ensure that they are using the correct join operation. Instead of a simple join, the user needs to aggregate the comments into a list. Next, the user should modify the join operation to collect all comment IDs for each blog. This can be done using the group by key and aggregate methods. Then, the user can join the aggregated comments with the blog stream. This will allow the user to create an enriched blog object that includes an array of comment IDs. Finally, the user should ensure that the enriched blog object is correctly structured. This means that the new object should contain the blog details along with the array of comment IDs. Fun fact: did you know that Kafka was originally developed at LinkedIn to handle their massive data streams? It's come a long way since then, and now it's a go-to for many applications. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests using an aggregator when working with Kafka Streams and KTables. The user mentions that if you're using Avro with a schema registry, you need to create your own aggregator because Kafka Streams struggles to serialize array lists. After creating the KTable, you can join it with your other stream. This allows you to combine the blog data with the aggregated comments effectively. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. This user points out that using a KTable keyed by blog ID won't work for tracking multiple comments, as it only retains the latest blog value. They suggest an optimization to avoid costly aggregations by using a range scan approach. This involves storing each comment with a key that combines blog ID and comment ID, allowing for efficient serialization and storage. The user emphasizes that this method allows for adding comments to the state store without creating new list instances each time, improving performance. They also provide links to their blog for more details and a full working example on GitHub. Here's the resource I promised. Check out the official Kafka documentation on stream table joins. It provides detailed examples and explanations that can help you master this concept. And there you have it. You now have the tools to successfully join your Kafka stream and table. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Kafka and other technologies.